Alright, late afternoon is here as we get ready to go halfway through the last weekend of April. April 25th, 2026. CN Hayes here, 1556, coming to you from Bruce near milepost 121.3 with the video lined up for you. Inbound sand empties of the S772 51 of the 20th is here with a trio of C6M rebuilds. Check them on the road by now, so bring back and get them. Here we go. He goes inbound to S772 Services and Warehouser. .33-37 to lead it. S772 51 of the 20th. Came down from Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada. This is heading down to Source Energy Services of Warehouser. Last is SCJX 1130. A name from milepost 126 to milepost 110. Here's the last of it now. Source Energy Services of Warehouser. Starting in Grand Prairie, Alberta, Canada. And that is going to do it for the S772 51 of the 20th. And we'll do it for the trio C6M rebuilds of the 3337, 3330, and the 3306. And that is going to do it for this video at Bruce, Wisconsin, on the Canadian Nationals Barron Submain at milepost 121.3. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.